Local boy, neighborhood, easy as the breeze in springtime. He don't talk too much. When he does, the whole room gets luminous. Lights everywhere. He said earlier this year he tuned down real low, searching on the hi-fi radio, and then something moved him. He's never been the same since. Listening on the misty frequencies. He was listening on the misty frequencies. She walks with slow pace. She knows where she be going. International lifestyle control, amplified by what she knows. Knapsacks, headphones, she be stepping with that rugged flow. She powerful, her mind's on audio. She was listening on the misty frequencies. 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 Well, more than sounds and more than words must be keeping them healthy. What you hear, what you see, ain't always what it's supposed to be. We tune down real low, searching on the hi-fi radio for something with that feeling. We live again, listening on the misty frequencies. We keep listening on the misty frequencies. We keep listening on the misty frequencies. We keep listening.